Have you ever wondered what the future of breakfast might look like? Imagine a world where you don't have to cook, but you still enjoy a delicious meal. Let's take a journey into the not-so-distant future, where breakfast is more than just a meal. It's an experience, an adventure into the world of flavors, crafted and curated not by human hands, but by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the era of AI-generated no-cooking recipes. Yes, you heard it right, artificial intelligence. The same technology that powers your smartphone assistant and your smart home devices is now revolutionizing the way we prepare and consume food. In this future, the landscape of food preparation has been completely transformed. The kitchen is no longer a battleground of pots, pans, and ingredients, but a place of calm and tranquility. You don't have to worry about chopping onions or peeling potatoes anymore because your AI-powered kitchen assistant does all the hard work for you. But how does it all work, you ask? Well, it's rather simple. The AI uses complex algorithms and machine learning to understand your taste preferences, dietary restrictions, and even your mood to create the perfect breakfast recipe for you. It then uses advanced food processing techniques to prepare the meal, without the need for any human intervention. This is not just about convenience, though, it's about personalization, about having a meal that is tailored to your exact needs and preferences. It's about embracing diversity and individuality, about breaking away from the one-size-fits-all approach to food. And the best part? This future is not as far away as you might think. Companies around the world are already experimenting with AI-generated recipes, and it's only a matter of time before they become a part of our everyday lives. Just think about it, a world where you can enjoy a delicious breakfast without even lifting a pan. But how does this magic happen? How can artificial intelligence whip up a breakfast without the need for cooking? Let's start by understanding what artificial intelligence, or AI, is. It's a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Now, AI has been making waves in various sectors, from healthcare to transportation to entertainment, and yes, even the food industry. It's like a master chef, with an infinite number of recipes at its fingertips, using data as its ingredients. AI uses algorithms, which are essentially step-by-step instructions for solving a problem, to analyze and learn from vast amounts of data. In the food industry, this data could be anything from ingredients to cooking techniques to flavor profiles, and even food trends from around the world. Imagine having a personal assistant who not only knows every recipe in the world, but also understands your personal preferences, dietary restrictions, and even your current mood. That's AI for you. It can take all this data and create unique and exciting recipes that you might never have thought of. For example, it might suggest a breakfast burrito with a twist, replacing the traditional scrambled eggs with a tofu scramble for those who prefer a plant-based diet. Or perhaps it could whip up a smoothie recipe combining fruits and vegetables that you wouldn't normally pair together, creating a delicious and nutritious start to your day. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to constantly learn and improve. It can take feedback from users, understand what works and what doesn't, and use this information to refine its recipes, making them better each time. So, the next time you're enjoying a breakfast burrito or a smoothie, remember it might just be the work of an AI. Now, let's dive into the exciting process of making a no-cook breakfast using AI-generated recipes. Imagine waking up to a world where you don't have to scramble through recipe books or scour the internet for that perfect breakfast idea. That's the magic of AI. It's like having a personal chef who knows your tastes and nutritional needs and is ready to suggest a no-cook breakfast recipe tailored just for you. How does that sound? Let's break it down. The first step is to choose your recipe. With an AI, this becomes a breeze. The AI takes into account your preferences, diet restrictions, and even your mood to suggest a variety of breakfast options. You might end up with an exotic fruit parfait or a classic avocado toast. The possibilities are endless. Once you've selected your recipe, the next step is gathering your ingredients. Don't worry about forgetting anything. The AI provides a comprehensive list of all the ingredients you need, right down to the exact quantity. It's like having a personal shopping assistant in your pocket. Now comes the fun part, assembling your breakfast. Here too, the AI lends a helping hand. It provides step-by-step instructions so you don't have to guess or second-guess. Whether it's layering your parfait or spreading your avocado, every step is carefully guided. Finally, it's time to enjoy your creation. The beauty of a no-cook breakfast is that it's fresh, quick, and packed with flavor. Plus, there's the added satisfaction of having created something delicious without the usual kitchen hustle. You see, the AI doesn't just provide a recipe, it creates an entire breakfast experience. It transforms the way you start your day, turning a mundane task into an exciting culinary adventure. With AI, you can have a delightful breakfast without the hassle of cooking. Now, isn't that a future you'd want to wake up to? Now you might ask, why switch to AI-generated recipes? What's the benefit? Well, let me tell you, it's like having your very own personal chef. But even better. Firstly, one of the most significant benefits of AI-generated recipes is convenience. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning and instead of scrambling around the kitchen trying to figure out what to make, your AI system presents you with a carefully curated no-cook recipe based on your preferences and dietary needs. It's like having breakfast served to you on a silver platter, minus the actual serving part, but it doesn't stop at convenience. With AI-generated recipes, you're also exposed to a variety of meals you might not have thought to try otherwise. Ever heard of a smoothie bowl with dragon fruit, chia seeds, and macadamia nuts? Or how about a Mediterranean-inspired avocado toast with sun-dried tomatoes and feta? Your AI system could suggest these unique combinations, broadening your culinary horizons right from the comfort of your own kitchen. Now let's talk about health. We're all trying to make healthier choices, aren't we? Well, AI-generated recipes can help with that too. The AI system can be programmed to take into account your dietary needs and restrictions. Are you vegan? Gluten-free? Trying to cut down on sugar? No problem. The AI will tailor recipes to fit your specific needs, helping you maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. Oh, and did I mention the potential for waste reduction? With AI, you can input what ingredients you have on hand, and it will generate a recipe using just those. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to creative and exciting meals. In essence, AI-generated recipes are like a culinary adventure, right in your own home. You get to experiment with flavors, try new ingredients, and eat healthier, all while reducing waste and saving time. With AI, not only do you get convenience but also a chance to explore a world of culinary delights. So, are you ready to take your breakfast game to the next level? So, what does this mean for the future of cooking? Let's take a moment to stir this idea around, shall we? Imagine a world where your kitchen assistant isn't a person, but a highly intelligent machine. This machine has knowledge of every recipe ever written, every ingredient ever used, and every dietary restriction ever followed. It can generate a recipe for you based on your preferences, dietary needs, and even the ingredients you have on hand. This is the cooking landscape that AI-generated recipes might create. The culinary industry could see a revolution like never before. Chefs, both professional and aspiring, could have a world of flavors at their fingertips, with AI suggesting new and exciting combinations they might never have thought of. Restaurants could offer personalized meals to their customers, with dishes tailored to individual tastes and dietary preferences. Just imagine walking into a restaurant and ordering a dish that is made just for you, right down to the spice level. Home cooking, too, could see a monumental shift. No longer would you need to spend hours poring over cookbooks or scrolling through food blogs. An AI could generate the perfect recipe for you in seconds, and the best part, it could even teach you how to make it. From the correct chopping technique to the ideal cooking temperature, every step could be guided by AI. And let's not forget about our eating habits. With AI-generated recipes, we could see a move towards more personalized diets. The AI could take into account our health goals, our likes and dislikes, and even our cultural backgrounds to create meals that are not only delicious but also incredibly healthy. In essence, AI-generated recipes could transform the way we cook, eat, and think about food. They could make cooking more accessible, more personalized, and yes, even more fun. So, to answer the question we started with, what does this mean for the future of cooking? Well, it means that the future of cooking is here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. AI-generated recipes are not just a fad, they are the future of cooking. So, are you ready to embrace the future of breakfast? A world where you don't have to scramble for ingredients in the early morning, where you can have a healthy and delicious breakfast without the hassle of cooking. Welcome to the era of AI-generated recipes. Starting your journey towards a no-cook breakfast lifestyle is easier than you might think. You don't need to be a tech guru or a culinary genius. All you need is a sense of adventure, a dash of curiosity, and an appetite for something new. Imagine waking up to a smoothie bowl packed with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds, all perfectly balanced to give you the energy you need to start your day. Or perhaps you're more of a savory person. How about an avocado toast with a twist, topped with a unique blend of spices and herbs that you've never thought of combining before? These are not just random concoctions. They are scientifically balanced meals, designed by artificial intelligence to meet your nutritional needs and tickle your taste buds. The beauty of AI-generated recipes is that they are personalized for you. They take into account your dietary preferences, your health goals, and even your schedule. To embrace this future, start by exploring AI-generated recipes. There are numerous apps and websites out there that offer this service. Give them a try. Experiment with the recipes they suggest. You might be surprised at the combinations they come up with. Remember, this is not about giving up your favorite meals or abandoning the joy of cooking. It's about adding a new dimension to your culinary experience. It's about discovering new flavors, new combinations, and new ways of enjoying food. So don't hold back. Dive into this new world of possibilities. Embrace the adventure, experiment, explore, and enjoy. Embrace the future, embrace AI-generated recipes. Your breakfast will never be the same. As we come to the end of our breakfast journey, let's recap what we've learned. We embarked on this journey together, exploring the fascinating world of breakfast, and discovered how it's evolving in the hands of technology. Particularly, we've seen how artificial intelligence is playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of our morning meals. First off, we delved into the magic of AI, a technology that's revolutionizing countless aspects of our lives. Just like a seasoned chef, AI can whip up a recipe in a snap, but it doesn't stop there. It goes a step further, creating recipes that require no cooking at all. Imagine waking up to a delicious, nutritious breakfast without the hassle of cooking. That's the power of AI. We dived into the making of a no-cook breakfast, a concept that may seem futuristic but is very much a reality today. AI uses complex algorithms and a vast database of ingredients and their nutritional values to create these recipes. It's like having an invisible chef in your kitchen, preparing a meal that's tailor-made to your dietary preferences and needs. Next, we discussed the benefits of AI-generated recipes. Not only do they save time and energy, but they also offer a diverse range of food options. Are you vegan, gluten-free, or on a keto diet? No problem. AI has you covered. With the ability to generate countless recipes, you'll never run out of new foods to try. We also pondered the future of cooking. With the advent of AI, the way we cook and consume food is bound to change. Cooking might become less about survival and more about creativity and enjoyment. As AI takes care of our nutritional needs, we'll have more time to experiment and enjoy the art of cooking. Finally, we urged everyone to embrace the future. The future of breakfast is here, and it's full of possibilities. AI-generated no-cook recipes are not just a fad, but a significant step towards a future where technology and food coexist in harmony. Throughout this journey, we've seen how AI is transforming our breakfast tables. It's making our lives easier, our meals healthier, and our mornings brighter. It's not just about food, it's about the way we live, the way we think, and the way we approach our day. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey into the future of breakfast. Remember, the future is here and it's delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting glimpses into the future.